Damodarashtakam. We do Diya offering. That's it. Okay. If you are too new for this, don't feel shy. It's okay to be new. I have not seen any of your faces before. Perhaps you have also not seen my face before.
No, we have seen it.
देखियो कहाँ पर?
जन्माष्टमी।
जन्माष्टमी सब आए थे?
मैं 3 साल पहले आया था।
3 साल पहले थे, वाह। आप इस साल आए थे? ओके।
एक साल ही में आए थे, यहाँ पे तो इस साल भी जन्माष्टमी।
ओके, गुड, गुड. What's your name?
साक्षी।
साक्षी. Okay, good. And these kids? एक तो कृषिका है ना? हाँ.
सारी चीजें वही बोल देती
What's your name? Arna. Okay, very good.
चलो सबको गाना है हाँ स्वरा
Let's sing a quick bhajan. Okay? चलो. जय राधा माधवा shy. You don't need to sing mild. गलती कुछ ना हो जाए. No problem. If you make a problem, that's okay. If you make a mistake, it's fine. It's very simple words. Okay? Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Vihari Jaya Gopi Janavalla Janavallabha Girivaradhari Yashodhanandana Jaya Vraja Janaranjana Jaya Yashodhanandana Jaya Vraja Janaranjana Yamuna Tiravanachari Jaya Kunja Vihari Jaya Yamuna Tiravanachari Jaya Kunja Vihari Jaya Yamuna Tiravanachari Jaya Kunja Vihari Jaya Yamuna Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye Nashtaprayeshu Abhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtiki Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Nandagopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare It's too difficult to recite Ajnana Timirandhasya. Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnana Anjana Shalakaya Chakshuhu Unmelitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. This is the prayer for the Guru, one who has saved us from the deepest, darkest, most region, Ajnana Timirandhasya. One who's been blinded by the ignorance with the lamp of knowledge. Jnana Anjana Shalakaya. Shalaka is an instrument. Jnana is knowledge. With that instrument, Chakshuhu Unmilitam. Somebody who has been blinded has been given new eyes. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. I offer my respect to that Guru. Simple, no? You not heard this before? No. You heard, you can't repeat. Good. It's good. Thank you. So, this is the month of Kartik, and today is the day of Utthana Ekadashi. It's very auspicious. Also the beginning of Bhishma Panchaka, the last 5 days of Kartik. Something which is, Kartik in itself is very auspicious. The last 5 days are really auspicious. Many people who just fast on the last 5 days, totally spiritual. And most important fasting which we can do is fasting is not just fasting. People fast or do vrat so that you can invest your mind in Krishna. The reason why we fast is so that other burdens are less. And cooking, washing, cleaning, shopping, it's all less. And you have more time for Krishna. That is the reason for doing any sort of vrat. There is no other reason. There are secondary benefits of health and this thing, cleaning of guts and things like that, but that's secondary. Right? The primary reason is we should be able to put our mind in Krishna. Yena kena prakarena manaha Krishna niveshaya. Whichever way you figure out, that's okay. Your mind needs to be in Krishna. Why?
to get some peace.
To get peace. Okay.
Focus.
Get focus.
He's the ultimate truth.
Is the ultimate truth. Okay. What else?
Whatever the problem you have in your life, I think with just a name,
Get the answers.
you get
Okay.
all the answers and
Okay.
all the problems get solved.
Okay. Good. Yes. What do you think?
Talk to yourself.
Okay.
Is that
Okay.
And you get like for me, I got the answers like sometimes when I'm in some dilemma or something, and if I talk to Krishna, and I got many times I got the answers and my problems got solved.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Kids, you are inside, okay? Not inside and outside. You can just play there, or you can be here, but no going inside. What do you choose?
Swara?
Okay, chalo.
आपको जाना है?
अंदर जाओ ले विद स्वरत शेयर कर लो बाइक ओके
Chalo. Let them be happy. Chalo. Good. Very nice. There is a problem with all the answers which we said. What is the problem? There is a serious problem with it. You don't know. At least you know there is a problem.
Selfish.
Selfish. Good. Why is it a problem, being selfish? Why?
Because we are like taking Krishna's name because of our thing, like this is our problem and
Yeah.
you solve it. This is the selfishness.
Why is it a problem? It's okay, right? Why is it a problem?
Because our soul is designed in that way.
To be a problematic person?
To be a selfish person.
Ah, sorry. That's the wrong answer. This will be getting 2 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah. Good attempt, but wrong answer.
This is how you see it. Like some people see something as a problem.
Yeah.
Maybe other person will see it.
Okay, let's not call it as problem. This is a limitation. Let's put it like this.
Yeah,
Okay, it's not a problem. It's a limitation.
Yeah.
It's a lesser understanding. Why?
Because of less knowledge,
There's less knowledge. Okay.
less information, misinformation,
Misinformation. Very good. Okay.
lot of distractions.
Distractions. Okay. Okay.
Give priority to other things, like to the family and to your job. And
सृष्टि समझ में आ रहा है क्वेश्चन क्या है?
हाँ मैं एक्चुअली
अंदर थे ना आप शायद?
मुझे भी नहीं समझ आ रहा था क्वेश्चन
इधर उधर हो गए 2 मिनट
No problem. Who wants to repeat the question?
like
Bolo, bolo. It's okay. I told we need to invest our mind in Krishna. And then I asked why. So everybody had an answer. Then I said,
why is the problem?
it's a problem. There is a mistake. There is not. No, let's not call it as mistake or problem. It's a limitation. It's a lesser understanding. Why?
Why should we take Krishna's
No, you
name?
should so all the answers which you missed. So people told I'll get answers if I remember Krishna. All the problems will be solved, and I feel peace. I feel focused, and then sorry, your name is Navneet. Navneet said that this is all a limited understanding because it's selfish in nature. And then next question is, why is it a limitation to be selfish? Or and then one of the answer is, you're created to be selfish. But then I said that's a wrong answer. So you can build on that now. Yeah.
We are actually bound in a materialistic world.
You are bound in materialistic world.
Yeah.
So something else is binding you? Who is binding you?
I think our relationships
Relationships are binding you.
with different people.
सृष्टि के ऊपर ब्लेम है. किसके ऊपर ब्लेम है?
Guilty responsibility
हाँ.
must be
किसका है? ब्लेम किसके ऊपर डालना है?
Blame तो किसी के ऊपर नहीं
नहीं, तो आपने बोले कुछ तो रिलेशनशिप्स. गाइस, हियर सुनो यहाँ पर अद्वैतनाथ
Yes.
Advaik,
अद्वैत देखो यहाँ पर देखो योर इनसाइड एंड दैट्स इट और हियर एंड दैट्स इट नो प्लेइंग इफ यूर हियर नो प्लेइंग
Swara.
फिर इनसाइड यू कैन प्ले बट यू कांट कीप कमिंग इन एंड आउट क्या करना है बोलो
जय करेंगे.
जे करेंगे चलो यहीं पर बैठना है बट देन नो बैट एंड बॉल ओके
No battle. Ball रख दो.
Okay.
बाद में खेलेंगे. बाद में खेलेंगे.
चलो
Okay. चलो.
हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्णा बोल दो.
गुड जॉब वेरी नाइस थैंक यू हरे कृष्णा सो या I forgot your name. I'm really sorry.
सागर
Sagar. Sagar is telling that it's Srishti's problem. यही है बाइंडिंग मेरा लाइफ का.
because see materialistic world because you have so many relationships going on तो आपका मोह रहता है आपके रिलेशंस में तो इसीलिए एक ये भी कारण है कि आप ज़्यादा
कर नहीं सकते हो
ज़्यादा
मन है थोड़ा बट कर नहीं सकते हो.
कर नहीं पाते हैं
You cannot fully devote because of the external things you are having. Nobody has put it in you in that. You yourself put it into that.
वेरी गुड.
Right?
हाँ.
So you have
तो
created
किसी को
your own
ब्लेम नहीं
monster.
करना. Nobody is to blame. It's my choice. Yeah. And we're also not telling that you should not have relationships. You can have relationships, no problem. हम यहाँ पर ये बोलने के लिए नहीं आए आज कि सब छोड़ के सब चले जाओ. चलो हिमालय चले जाओ, हरिद्वार, ऋषिकेश, छोड़ो एम्स्टलवेन. You can be in Amstelveen, no problem. You can have a family, no problem. Because the point is not about externals. It's a matter of heart. The only question is, where is our heart? You might be doing whatever in the world, doesn't matter. You are designed to keep your consciousness in a different subject matter than what you are acting. You agree with this? क्या समझ में आ गया अद्वैत?
इसको yes or no बहुत जल्दी बोलना होता है.
Can you repeat what I said? Can you repeat? Who can repeat? You need to hear very attentively.
कि हम we can.
You are designed to keep your consciousness in a different subject matter than what you are acting. You're designed like this. You can. Yeah. Just like you will be sitting here. The action which you are doing is hearing, but you could be totally lost, spaced out, and somewhere else. Agreed? Yeah, you can, right? This body is here. लग रहा है कि कुछ तो सुन रहा है, but then वो गुड़गांव, नोएडा पूरा जाके चाट खा के सब खत्म करके आ सकते हैं, है ना? पूरा पेरेंट्स से बात करके, दो लोग से लड़ाई भी करके आ सकते हैं. माइंड में. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
It really doesn't matter what you are doing externally. You can be in the office, घर पे कुकिंग कर रहे हैं, क्लीनिंग कर रहे हैं, जो भी है. Consciousness somewhere else. Right? So all that we are saying, rather than putting your consciousness somewhere else, put it in Krishna. This is all what we are saying. Yeah? That is the meaning of being Krishna conscious. And that is the only way to be happy. There is no other way to be happy. Everything else, yes, you can try to be happy, but very soon you will realize, oh, ये तो नहीं हो रहा. लग रहा था कुछ काफ़ी ज़्यादा है हैप्पीनेस, बट इतना तो नहीं मिल रहा. कुछ तो मिल गया, बट not to the satisfaction of expectations, है ना? Yeah. Eventually you'll feel, चलो और कुछ करेंगे, इससे नहीं हुआ. लगता है पहले when we were in the school, चलो एक जॉब मिल गया, एक जॉब चाहिए बस, मैं इतना खुश हो जाऊंगा, मैं इतना पैसे कमाऊंगा.
Endless list.
जॉब मिलने के बाद फिर.
जॉब मिलने के
अच्छी
बाद
मिल जाए.
हाँ नेक्स्ट जॉब मिल जाए, और पैसे मिले, और पैसे के साथ क्या करें, और कुछ खरीदे. दिस इज अ लूप. वी हैव बीन समहाउ और अदर स्टक इन दिस कंज्यूमरिस्टिक मेंटालिटी कि हमें ये बताया गया है एंड वी हैव बिलीव्ड इन इट दैट बाय accumulating commodities you'll become happy, and to accumulate commodities you need to earn a lot of money. Yeah, this is the whole, how to say, mindset we have been framed totally from childhood. आपको जिंदगी में हैप्पी रहना है तो you have to accumulate a lot of things, and for that you have to earn a lot of money. Yes? लाइफ में सेट होना है तो इतना ये तो मिनिमम चाहिए हो.
इतनी सैलरी हो मतलब
मिनिमम तो इतना तो रहना ही है मिनिमम. उसके बाद एक हो गया तो चलो सेकेंड वन कैसे सोचेगी. एंड वंस लेट्स से इवन इफ वी सेट ऑल दिस थिंग्स, मन में तो कुछ तो रहता है कि चलो इतना तो नहीं, हाँ कुछ तो, हाँ
कुछ ना कुछ ढूंढ ही लेते हैं.
Even a greedy
तो that's the point we want to address through these programs. And it's not just about you or you or you. It's about everyone in the whole creation. This is how we all think. Kyun? Because it's the nature of the Jivatma to seek happiness. Anandamayo Bhyasat. Just don't know where to seek. जो अंदर है उसको हम बाहर ढूंढ रहे हैं. You lose something inside the house. You go on the street to find it. Will you find it?
No.
Shall I tell a joke? I'll tell a joke. Okay. 2-3 weeks ago, we went to a friend's place for program. My daughter, we have a 1 year, 3 months old daughter, Bhumi. And only one ear had earring, the other had fell off. So people came and asked, Prabhu, ये इनका earring वो gold का था क्या, ये दिख नहीं रहा है. Then I asked my wife and she's like, yeah, it's not there since we came to the program. चलो शायद पता नहीं कहाँ पर है. And eventually when we went back to the car, it was there in the car. तो कार में मिल गया वो. So when we went home, my wife said, okay, चलो इसको बदल लेंगे अभी, ये गिर रहा है ना. So she took out and then put new ones. But when she took out, she kept somewhere. वो इतना घूम हो गया, अभी 3 हफ्ता हो गया नहीं मिल रहा. So anyway, you lose something somewhere, you have to search it there. You can't really search other places. You will never find it. We have really lost track of where is happiness. We have never been educated on this, right? And then coming back to the initial discussion, we have been misinformed कि यहाँ पर है happiness. इसको खोजो. It's like treasure hunt. Keep doing it. One day you will find it. You will never find it, unfortunately.
We have seen our parents like that. We have seen our father go to the office and mother to do the household chores. So it's a kind of, we have seen it from the childhood and we are just following that thing.
Yeah. Still not learning. And we're teaching our kids the same thing. चलो ये यही करना है. This generation after generation, we're creating like solid idiots. We all are idiots. And we're creating further idiots. Right? Why I'm saying we're idiots? Because, see, having less intelligence is okay, but having less intelligence and thinking that I'm really brilliant, it's a deadly combination. So Srimad Bhagavatam says, Manda Sumanda Matayaha. Manda is slow, lazy. Sumanda is like really hardcore slow. इतना slow हो ही नहीं सकते कोई. Because we are slow and then we think, oh, I'm really, really sharp. इतना intelligent हूँ मैं. पूरे के पूरे संसार इसी तरह सोचता है. Right? And then we achieve also. So बड़ा buildings, ये वो spaceships. But all for what? If you think about it, all for what? In our pursuit to become happy. नए चीज, all for what? Somehow or the other, be happy. Hook or crook, be happy. You have one life, enjoy to the max. So now, just max it out. You know, just do it, Nike. So, unfortunately, this appeals a lot because there is a lot of instant gratification. You know, you can actually see it. The whole entertainment industry, everything which is built, is still a dream, and you get sold because, like, wow. Advaik, Swara, come here, sit here, come on. Come on. आपको खेलना है? नहीं खेलना है? So unfortunately, that imagination or the dream which we have been sold, there is only one end to it. There is no multiple ends to it. There is only one end, and the end is frustration. Yeah. If somebody thinks, no, bro, there is another end, you have to really understand what is life. Life is not just, and I'm not trying to sell fear, it's just reality. Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi is the reality of life. It's reality. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, in 13th chapter, 20 different aspects of knowledge. What is knowledge? He starts with humility, amanitvam. One has to become really humble in life. The first aspect of knowledge. Adambitvam, not having pride. Okay? Ahimsa, being non-violent. So like that. Eventually he tells, one who understands the effects of Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. We need to be able to understand this. It is not to create fear, but just reality of life. Because life is going to change one day. No matter how hard you try, you will be put inside Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. And something which is beyond you. You can't really control. There is nobody who has controlled it, and nobody will be able to control the future. One may extend, but doesn't mean that somebody is like living since last 500 years now because we have been making so much of advancement in science. Right? It will never happen. So, the fact of life remains that we are in the cycle of birth and death. And every time in every new birth we think that ये तो काफी अच्छा लग रहा है, ये amazing है. Oh wow, this looks so fresh and new. Newer and newer and newer ways of enjoyment. But ये new नहीं है. It's just exact same thing in a different container. That's it. Externally, all looks very fresh. If you go one level deep, it's ahara, nidra, bhaya, maituna. That's it. That's where we derive our happiness with. Nothing else. It's very gross, physical way. And there is absolute limitation how much we can enjoy in this level. We can't enjoy infinitely. There's just no way. Swara, give me. Give me? Yes, thank you. Hare Krishna. Let's ask something which is interesting. What's your favorite sweet? Whom should I choose? I'll choose Sagar.
Sweet.
हाँ स्वीट. कौन सी अच्छा लगता है आपको? लड्डू. कौन सी? बूंदी की. चलो. कितना खा सकते? कितना? Can you give a number?
2 or 3.
2 या 3?
3.
3? Let's say you are really hungry. कितना खा सकते हो? 4 or 5? 4 या 5? 5. So अभी imagine that Srishti has made really, really good bundi laddu. I don't know if you make it, Srishti. Do you make it? Do you? No? So इसलिए बोल रहे थे वो बाइंडिंग है. बनाते नहीं है लड्डू बूंदी की. खुश हो जाते थे. Anyway, just hypothetical. You get the best of bundi laddu. आपका 5 हो गया. I'll give you the 6th one. How will you feel?
Full, I cannot take it.
No, but you have to eat it. खाना ही है. खा लेंगे. चलो 7th.
There is a limit. इसके आगे नहीं खा सकता हूँ.
कितना? So 7th हो सकता है या नहीं? नहीं हो सकता. 8th लेके आ गए. अभी तो सृष्टि इतना फोर्स कर रहा है, खाना ही है.
दमाजी बता दे.
Yes, forcing you. How will you feel? You can imagine for your own, whatever you like in your life. Now we are binding you to a sofa and then we are just pushing it inside your mouth. कैसा लगेगा? खाना है आपको. The reason I'm telling is, see, there is a physical limitation. You can't really extract infinite happiness through a finite system what we have got. It's just no way. Mind has this feeling, मुझे इतना खाना है, ये कितना खाओगे? Right? There is a limit. Beyond that, the same object will become really bad. I don't want this anymore. At some point of time, Sagar will start puking. और जिंदगी में कभी नहीं दिखेगा इसको. ये बूंदी लड्डू, oh my God, नहीं, never. You agree?
Yes.
Same object. What's the difference? The difference is in the limit. You can't really extract. Even though we want to extract infinite happiness from every object which we come across, we can't really extract infinite happiness. It's impossible. The only way you can become happy is when you understand what is that source I need to connect to, which can give me that infinite happiness. You can get infinite happiness. Yeah, you can. But not with these objects which we are thinking. The only object which can give us eternal happiness and infinite happiness is Krishna and nothing else. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Anandambudhi Vardhanam. There is so much of ananda, so much of bliss. It's like an ocean of bliss, Vardhanam. It keeps increasing. More and more and more and more every time. How is it? Because Krishna is infinite. We know some Leela of Krishna, but it's not limited to that. Even now, Krishna Leela is going on. It's going on here also. We are not able to access, that's our limitation. Because we're just too busy in everything else. Our consciousness is tuned to this frequency in which we just want to be happy ourselves. खुद का endeavor से. Yeah. भगवान बोलते हैं गीता में, अहंकार विमूढ़ आत्मा कर्ता हम इति मन्यते. The person who is really struggling with ahankara, selfish ego, he or she thinks that I am the one who is doing. It's all me. I am the doer. We are not the doer. हमें लगता है बस I am the doer. It's a grand illusion which we are part of. But we have chosen it like this. There is no external binding. The binding is from within only. I have chosen it like this. And anytime I want to get out of it, I can get out. But you just need to really want for it. And I want to get out of this bonding. You can get out of the bonding. And getting out of the bonding doesn't mean that you have to leave everything. You can be here, no problem. You can show affection, no problem. Have love, no problem. But consciousness needs to be in Krishna. And you are designed like it. You can do it. If you're not doing it, that's our problem. And our whole aim with these Kartik programs is that we eventually, somehow or the other, bring people to at least one level up. Tell them, for your own good, for your own happiness, connect with Krishna. Not for me, not for anyone else. It's good for you. Yeah. Our entire Shastras, all Itihasa, Purana, everything, this is the single most important calling. You need to connect with Krishna. आपको खुद को समझना है और भगवान को समझना है. That's the foundation of life. I'll tell a story. This is from Kathopanishad. There was a boy called as Nachiketa. You have heard this story? A small boy, Nachiketa. His father was doing a lot of yajna. Again and again he would do a lot of yajna. For the namesake. Only for namesake he would do it. And as part of yajna, they do charity. So people would come to get charity. He would invite them. And would give them just for the namesake charity. जो गाय अभी almost मरने वाले हैं उनको दे देता. Take, I'm giving you a cow. It's almost about to die. Really bad ones. I mean, bad in the sense like good for nothing. Right? Not just something which is useful. So नचिकेत को बुरा लगा. वो जाके पापा से बोला, at least give me. I'll be of some use to someone. इस तरह का ये मरने वाले गाय को क्यों दे रहे हो? At least you can give it to me. whom do you want to give it to me? Can you give me on charity? Someone. So the father ignored him for a few times, but then he told, I'll give you charity to the Yamaraj. Nachiket just fell dead. और पहुंच गए यमराज के स्थान. And Yamraj was not there that time. And Nachiket kept waiting for 3 days. And after 3 days, when Yamraj comes back, he saw, oh, there is a Brahmana boy sitting here. He went and asked, आप क्यों आए यहाँ पर? Nachiket said, I have been given in charity to you. Yamraj says, but your time is not over yet. So I go back. Nachiket बोलता है, I have some questions. Can you answer? And Yamraj says, sure. You can ask 3 things because I made you wait for 3 days. So Nachiketa and Yamraj, they had a conversation on spiritual matters. First question is about who am I? ये क्या है आत्मा? What is it? It looks like I have this body. How is the composition of it spiritually? Anatomy wise, we all know blood hai, bones hai, muscles hai, right? Nerves and everything. We know anatomy. But spiritually, what is the constitution of the body? So Yamaraj describes the whole spiritual constitution of the body. How there is this externally, there is this physical body made of Pancha Mahabhutas. How there is mana, how there is buddhi, and how Atma, which is there inside. And Yamaraj gives this example of this chariot to understand. Imagine a chariot being drawn by 5 horses. Imagine 5 horses tied to a chariot. And there's a chariot driver called a Sarathi. And then he's having all the reins which are tied to the horses. Right? And then the person who is traveling in the chariot, called a Rathi. So Atmanam Rathinam Vidhi. Atma is the one who is Rathi. He's the one who is traveling in this whole constitution of the body. Shariram Rathamevacha. This body is like the Ratha. Buddhim tu Sarathim Vidhi. Buddhi is the one who is holding all the reins and is a Sarathi. Manaha Pragrahamevacha. Mana is the reins. All the indriyas are the senses, are the horses. Right? Indriya is the sense. They are the horse. And in this combination, they're somehow or the other trying to become happy. पूजा जी क्लास चल रहा है.
अभी क्लास चल रहा है. हाँ जी.
What is happiness in this?
In this, horses look at things which they want to enjoy, and they just keep dragging. Because the person who is supposed to pull, who is it?
Mind.
Nahi.
Mind is Sarthi.
Mind is nahi Sarthi. Mind is what?
Body.
Nahi.
Buddhi is Sarthi.
Buddhi is Sarthi. Mind is what?
Mind is the strings.
Yes.
That are attached.
Right?
The strings.
If you understand this, your life will change today. It is not the mind. Mind is really agile. Really agile. उसका एक हैंड सेंसेस के पास है और एक हैंड बुद्धि के पास है. Who is weak? Right now? Buddhi is weak. Who is riding? Whole chariot. कौन डिसाइड कर रहा है कहाँ जाना है? Because Buddhi is weak. Who will decide now?
Mind.
No. कैसे? रोप कैसे डिसाइड करेगा?
Horses.
Horses will decide.
Attractions.
Yeah? Yes. Wherever, whatever attraction is coming, we're just going there. 3 लोग इतना oh my God.
They are the horses.
नहीं, horses are weird.
अच्छा उसको बाहर अंदर करो दोबारा सुनो
So who should become powerful?
Buddhi.
Buddhi has to be powerful. So that
So that they can control his
he
senses
can
and
control the senses through
to mind. Through your
same mind.
मन
Right? Isn't it interesting? Amazing, isn't it? It's the same mind.
You have to train your buddhi.
The whole goal of life is to train the buddhi. इसको फीड करो, बुद्धि strong, life will come on one straight line. And buddhi is not just intelligence. ये normal intelligence सबके पास है. You have seen how a tiger makes a plan to go and attack on a deer. You have seen? उसके पास है वो intelligence. कैसे करना है, कहाँ बैठना है, कैसे कितना jump मारना है. You can think of all these things. Yeah. It just doesn't have sufficient buddhi to think that अगर मैं जाके ये डियर को मार दूंगा इसको हर्ट होएगा. It can't think. Just cannot think. Right? Tiger cannot really think that oh, इसका माँ बाप है, कोई फ्रेंड्स है, उनको बुरा लगेगा, मैं खा लूँगा इसको. I'm hungry. I need to eat my food. ये मेरा food है. I'll eat. Yes. So that's not intelligence. There is intelligence, it's not real intelligence. Real intelligence should be able to control mind. Yeah. Right now we don't have it. So who is running the show? Nai.
The senses.
Senses are running the show. Mind is agile. Mind का कुछ है ही नहीं है इसमें. It can either follow the senses or
Or follow the buddhi.
follow buddhi. There are only two options, and right now it's following the senses. Yeah, amazing analogy, isn't it?
Do you think that different phases of life or different ages changes their senses? So,
हाँ.
as per my understanding, बच्चों का अपना होता है. Like they wanted something when you becoming little older.
Yes.
आप studies को focus करते हो, कुछ लोग कुछ और focus करते हैं.
Yes.
That is changing. When you reach to a age where we are right now, we focus our careers to establish a livable life.
Yes.
And then once we achieve that, as soon as you achieve that, say 40, 45, 50, then maybe you should focus what you are saying more about Krishna.
The only problem with this hypothesis
Yes.
is that you are assuming that you will be living until then. Yeah.
That is
No.
that's the
That's
main
the
base hypothesis.
that's
we
the
have.
only no. Sorry, it's a wrong hypothesis. Yeah. It's a wrong hypothesis. किसको पता है कितने जी रहा हूँ?
हमें लगता है हम
If
हमें
we are-
लगता है
if
बस.
we are not living, then we are directly going and serving only God.
नहीं,
Then-
नहीं.
You can
No.
create a balance.
We'll just keep revolving around cycle of birth and death and birth and death and birth and death. Yeah. So the only problem with this psychology, which somehow or the other people think, many people think that yeah चलो अभी तो कर रहा हूँ, तो थोड़ा एज होने दो, उसके बाद में भक्ति पूरा भक्ति, इतना भक्ति करूँगा मैं. होता नहीं है. Whole life you have lived somewhere else and something else. How can you change when you don't have any energy? आंखें दिख नहीं रहा है अच्छे से, पैर दुख रहा है. You think you'll be able to do something which you have not done whole life now? How? Doesn't make sense at all. Hypothesis is wrong है. But then it fits the materialistic agenda of life, so we take it. चलो कर लेंगे. And that day will never come. Shall I tell a story? I'll tell a story. There was a guy called as Kailash. Kailash was approached by Narada Muni. Kailash was really young and very, very active, and Narada Muni tells Kailash, why don't you do bhakti? Kailash बोले, अभी हाँ, it's just coming into the prime of my youth. Give me some time. Let me get settled in life. उसके बाद में आ जाओ, पक्का करेंगे. तो नारद मुनि को फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम. चले गए वो. कैलाश गॉट मैरिड, बच्चे हो गए, नाइस लाइफ, नाइस एवरीथिंग. Narada Muni comes. Kailash, shall we do bhakti now? Kailash, अभी शादी हुआ. The whole empire, I'm just setting it now. थोड़ा time दे दो. Let me just make sure that everything is secure, everything is fine. Then come back. We'll do it then. No problem. Deal. Narada Muni goes. Comes back after many years. Kailash is becoming older now. Yeah. He has kids who are grown up. And he says, चलो कैलाश, जो आपने बोले थे वो हो गया अभी. You're becoming older. Would you like to come and do bhakti now? Kailash says, my children, absolutely irresponsible. मैं इतना खड़ा किया हूँ, मैं अभी चले जाऊँगा, कौन देगा इसको? They're so irresponsible. I need to be there to guide them. Yeah. And in this whole pursuit, Kailash died one day. मर गए. Narada Muni came back. He went to the house. पूछे कहाँ कैलाश कहाँ है? मर गए. He was going out. तो बाहर एक स्नेक दिखा. आके बोल रहे नारद मुनि. अरे एक स्नेक बुला रहा है. क्या हो गया? कौन हो आप? मैं कैलाश. क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पर? मेरा बच्चे जो है इतना रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, मैं इतना ज़्यादा एम्पायर खड़ा किया हूँ मैं, इनका कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है. सो आई एम प्रोटेक्टिंग द हाउस. whoever is coming and make sure they go away. I am protecting this. I don't know if you know, snakes protect wealth. So नारद मुनि को लगा ये ज़्यादा हो गया अभी. There has to be a limit somewhere, right? तो बुलाए बच्चे को सभी. ये देखो यहाँ पर सांप है. They came with sticks, they just killed it. The question is, हम कब समझेंगे इसको? Yeah. This hypothesis is good, but it's really not a good hypothesis. पूरे लाइफ में हम खुद का एंजॉयमेंट का सोच के, when you are good for nothing, you want to give it to Krishna, really? हाँ, ना देख सकते हैं, ना पढ़ सकते हैं, ना सुन सकते हैं, ना वॉक कर सकते हैं, ना कुछ एनर्जी नहीं है, and you want to give that to Krishna, really? क्या कर सकते हो उस समय? Nothing much. So then you just keep reading, and then this is not really a great way of reciprocation. And as I said in the beginning, we are not telling that you have to leave everything. The art of being bhakti practitioner is how you do everything while keeping Krishna in your heart. Yeah. हमारा कुछ काफ़ी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है. हमें लगता है कि भक्ति करना है तो सब छोड़ना है. नहीं, you don't need to leave anything. You can keep everything, whatever you have, no problem. इसलिए हमारा जो हीरो है वो अर्जुन है. He was the best archer. He was not just a mediocre, चलो हो जाएगा 60%. नहीं, he was top 1. There was none second. Right? He was the topmost, and he was Krishna devotee. अगर वो कर सकता है तो हम भी कर सकते हैं. इसलिए भगवान बोलते हैं उनको, तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु माम अनुस्मर युध्य च. Make sure all the time, 24/7, माम अनुस्मर, keep me in your repeated remembrance. युध्य च, fight your battle. तो हमें करना ही है. You have to live. You have to live your life. Nobody can come and live that for you. You have to live your life. Anyway you will live. Anyway you are living already. Yes. So the deal is then, how do you make it Krishna conscious? With your family, with your job, with your social circles, with everything, to make it Krishna conscious. That's the deal. For that, buddhi needs to be really sharpened. Now. Kal nahi, aaj. Yeah. Buddhi needs to be really fed.
सबकी बुद्धि सेम होती है?
नहीं, ये सेम कैसे हो सकती है?
Is it dependent हमारे previous part?
Yes. जो कर्म का बॉन्डेज है हमारा ही ये कर्म है, बट देन इट्स अफेक्टिंग अस, बट देन यू कैन ब्रेक दिस शैकल. वेरी सिंपल प्रोसेस ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी, वेरी सिंपल. आपको कुछ चीज़ें करना पड़ेगा रोज. सृष्टि बताएगी अभी, क्योंकि वो 3-4 बार आ गई अभी क्लास.
अरे बाप रे.
क्या करना है सृष्टि?
I don't know particularly.
हाँ,
जप-
जो याद है
जप करना है.
रोज जब करना है. दिस फीड्स योर बुद्धि, इट मेक्स बुद्धि स्ट्रॉन्गर. रोज हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. रोज करना है. एवरी सिंगल डे विदाउट मिस, एटलीस्ट 6 मिनट्स 108 टाइम्स हो जाएगा उसमें. शुरू कर लो. This is feeding your buddhi eventually. Make the buddhi really strong so it can stand up and oh मेरा भी कुछ है यहाँ पर. Right now it is just sleeping. उसको लगता है कि चलो मेरे तो कोई सुनने वाले नहीं है यहाँ पर, तो मैं सो जाऊँगा. It is there, we are not using it. You know the definition between, or the discrimination between, or the distinguished factor between humans and animals is the presence of buddhi. If you can use buddhi, you are called as a nara. You can't use buddhi, you are called as a pashu. It's as simple as that. क्योंकि आहार निद्रा भय मैथुन में बुद्धि नहीं चाहिए. आप कितना भी सोफिस्टिकेशन कर लो, इसके लिए बुद्धि नहीं चाहिए. आहार निद्रा भय मैथुन के लिए जो बेसिक नेसेसिटीज एग्जिस्टेंशियल नीड्स है, ये खत्म करने के लिए बुद्धि नहीं चाहिए. या whatever simple buddhi all pashu everybody have got, they have got enough for आहार निद्रा भय मैथुन. ये 4 चीज कैसे करना है सबको पता है. Just because we are constructing huge size skyscrapers and amazing way of sophisticated ways of enjoying doesn't mean we have advanced. It's the same activity of ahara nidra bhaya maithuna. Same. Sophisticated, but same. So human is somebody, or nara is someone who uses buddhi for what it's supposed to be used for. हम तो यूज ही नहीं करते हैं, बस सो रही है. Right? So chanting Hare Krishna mantra can eventually wake your buddhi up and eventually connect buddhi to Krishna. And there's the meaning of buddhi yoga. You link your buddhi with Krishna. And that you can do now. You can do it as a software professional, as a householder, no problem. Life में कुछ भी कमी नहीं आएगा. Everything will go on. Yeah? Yes, Sagar bro? You can do it. So रोज जप करना है. Yes, Srishti. Next one. संगत.
People who are
है ना,
conscious.
सत्संग में आना है. अभी क्लास के बाद just to share the QR code we do every week. We do program in Amstelveen. Please come and join us. जो सृष्टि नहीं आती है, बट सृष्टि को भी आना है. सागर तो अभी 2-3 शुरू हो गया सागर का. एटलीस्ट सृष्टि आई वाज सीइंग अ लिटिल बिट मोर. सागर पे भी शुरू हो गया. यू शुड कम एंड जॉइन. हर हफ्ते एवरी थर्सडे इवनिंग इन क्रोनॉफ वी मीट. वी स्टडी गीता भागवतम. And once a month we do a festival, Bhakti Sangam. Here only. It's like walking distance from this house. Yeah. Third, हो गया. You need to live a sattvic life.
So all the rules we have to follow.
Yes. कुछ तो करना है ना लाइफ में. Spirituality is not just about speaking, not just about intellectual gymnastics in your brain. To follow. Yeah. Sattvic life समझ में आता है क्या है? It also includes what you scroll.
Without onion, garlic.
Yeah, whatever you consume, everything has to be sattvic. Eating, seeing, hearing, everything. All has to be sattvic. Yeah. Then you should study Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam. ये आपके लिए है. भगवान ने हम सबके लिए दिए इसको. Yeah. The last one, to do some seva. Our lives we have been just spending for our own gratification. कितने देर तक करेंगे ये? थोड़ा तो बाहर भगवान के लिए और सब जीव जंतु के लिए कुछ तो करना है हमें. सेवा करना है. If you can do these kind of activities, then your life will start moving forward in a different trajectory. Do it small, As I said, 6 minutes a day, you can do it. You know, when airplanes take off from the runway, more or less, let's, of course in Schiphol there are a lot of different runways, but imagine there is one runway in an airport. So all the flights are taking off in the same direction. But then gradually they start making small course corrections, you know, 8 degree deviation इस तरह का. And then one flight lands in New York, the other in London. Right? How? So small changes in directions. ये नहीं कि पूरा 360 degree उड़ा दिया है, नहीं, हाँ. Small. So make small corrections in life, थोड़ा थोड़ा. रोज 6 मिनट जप, 5 मिनट गीता, 5 minutes pranayam. When you get up rather than scrolling, start doing this. Yeah. You get up in the morning, rather than picking the phone and start with थोड़ा जपमाला ले लूँगा, थोड़ा जप कर लूँगा पहले, इसको पहले ख़त्म कर लूँगा, 5-6 मिनट इसको कर लो, थोड़ा गीता भागवत पढ़ लो, then let the life go on in a spiritual way then, and don't do too much. In the beginning, if you do too much, mind will rebel a lot. थोड़ा ही करो, no problem. 10-15 मिनट, good enough. Start with it.
So जब करने में कोई specific place होती है कि हम हमें कहीं भी बैठ के
In general, it is good if you can do that, but otherwise, no problem. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tells, Nam Namakari Bahuda Nija Sarva Shakti Tatrarpita Niyamitah Smaranena Kalaha. In general, all the Vedic methods, they need very strict rules, regulations in terms of who can do it, who cannot do it, when you can do it, when you cannot do it, which direction to face, and all these things. But then for japa, there is no rules, regulations. Hare Krishna mantra is Yuga Dharma. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given it for free. Patra na dekhi. Who is qualified, who is not qualified, he is not taking. Everybody can do it. No problem. कोई भी कर सकता है. Everybody, every time, anytime, doesn't matter. Morning, afternoon, evening, night, doesn't matter. जहाँ बैठे हो, कहाँ बैठे हो, doesn't matter.
Because what we do, what we know कि नहा के जब आप पूजा करते हो बस तभी एक बार करना होता है.
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं है. नहीं, अभी भी कर सकते हो. Any time is okay. करना है, शुरू कर लो. Of course, early morning Brahma Muhurta is really good. But if you can't do it, it's okay, no problem. जब भी होता है कर लो. Yeah, it's so simple, isn't it? इतना करके हमारा लाइफ पूरा स्ट्रेट लाइन में आ जाता है. बुद्धि becomes really powerful and strong, connected with Krishna. You will live Krishna conscious way. So that's our wish through these Kartik programs, that we connect people.
We can recognize our buddhi is now powerful.
You will be able to see that your senses are not running your show anymore. You're able to make judgment, proper judgment. कि करना क्या है.
For example, if now I pray to God, first I say, okay, thank you for giving me this life, but then, okay, now I want this. So,
Yeah, you will start praying that not just from the selfish perspective. You start telling that how can I please you, Krishna? What can I do so that I can please you? भक्ति हमें इसलिए नहीं करना कि मुझे हैप्पी होना है.
Give and take. That is the main.
No transactions anymore.
क्या हुआ स्वरा, इधर आ जाओ.
जब नरसिम्हा भगवान आए थे, प्रहलाद से मांगे तो क्या चाहिए प्रहलाद. प्रहलाद said, I don't want to have any transactions with you. कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. No transaction business. हम पूरा इसी में फंस गए हैं. Transactions चाहिए. We should do bhakti for the sake of doing bhakti, to please Krishna. Yeah. That's the ultimate objective of life, to please Krishna.
Maybe I can add something like a small, very, very small story. There were two people. एक बहुत rich था और एक बहुत गरीब था. ठीक है. That rich guy was like, वो कृष्ण भगवान जी को या किसी भगवान जी को रोज थैंक यू बोलता था कि थैंक यू फॉर व्हाटएवर यू हैव डन इन माय लाइफ. तो वो बहुत पूजा करता रहता था. तो एक दिन नारद जी आए एंड ही सेड कि ना तू एक काम कर, भक्ति करना बंद कर दे. नहीं, ही सेड कि भगवान मेरे पास ना बहुत है, आई एम फाइन, तो आई एम फाइन, मेरे को इतना कुछ ठीक है, मैं खुश हूँ. तो नारद जी आए, अगर तू खुश है ना तो तू भक्ति करना बंद कर दे. कहता यार वो तो मैं नहीं कर सकता, उसने मेरे को इतना दिया है, आई कैन नॉट स्टॉप थैंकिंग हिम. सो कहते अच्छा ठीक है. देन ही वेंट टू दैट गाय जो गरीब था, उसके पास सिर्फ एक कपड़ा था. तो ना दादाजी गए उसके पास एंड से क्या हुआ, कहता देखो मेरे पास सिर्फ एक कपड़ा है, आई एम सो स्ट्रेस्ड. देखो वन का नाम लेना शुरू कर दे, उसको थैंक यू करना शुरू कर दे, तो तेरे पास सामान जो भी तेरे को चाहिए होगा वो आ जाएगा. इसके लिए थैंक यू करो उसको, फिर मुझे एक कपड़ा ही तो दिया है. इतनी देर में हवा चलती है और उसका वो कपड़ा भी उड़ जाता है. ठीक है. सो इट्स द मेन एसेंस वाज लाइक मेरे लिए जो मैं फॉलो करती हूँ लाइफ में कि आई कैन नॉट थैंक गॉड इनफ, उसने मुझे जो जितना दिया है. सो मेरे लिए आई डू नॉट टेक नाम जस्ट फॉर लाइक गिव एंड टेक कि मैं उनसे कुछ मांग रही होती हूँ. एक टाइम था मैंने भी बहुत मांगा है कि मेरे को ये दो मुझे वो दो, लेकिन अब लोग बाकी मैं उस जगह पे हूँ कि मैं उनको सिर्फ थैंक यू करने के लिए आई टेक द नेम. एंड देन इफ यू स्टार्ट व्हाट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड इन माय लाइफ कि अगर तुम ये वाले लेवल पे जब तुम सोचते हो कि यू हैव टू थैंक हिम, देन वो जो तुम्हें देता है ना तुम सोच भी नहीं सकते.
Yeah.
So this is what I have learned.
The ultimate thing which Krishna can give to anybody, love.
Yeah.
Which when we get, our heart will be so filled, you won't want anything else anymore. Heart will be totally filled with it. So we can't really, as of now, we have no idea what this means, true love. It's really beyond all the superficial experiences we have been having in our lives. So anyway, I think we have discussed enough. We'll sing Damodarashtakam now, and we'll offer ghee lamps to Krishna. और उसके बाद I'll go to Utrecht. Okay? चलो. Good. You all have your phones with you? You can search for Damodarashtakam. Sagar.
थोड़ा तो मिले आदमी पता नहीं क्या हुआ.
Is everything okay?
होता भी नहीं है.
हाँ वो उसको एक्चुअली अंदर वहीं पर लग रहे हैं, तो शायद उसको लग रहा है कि हम मुझे तभी वो एक्चुअली रो रहा है. तो प्रभु जी कह रहे थे उसको बुला रहे थे तो प्रभु जी देख रहे थे ना, तो उसने उसको लगा कि मेरा
बाबा चाहिए तुम्हें, वो बाहर है.
हमें भी रो रहा है.
ठीक है, वो एकदम ही आज पहली बार तुमने इसका रोना सुना है.
पहली बार
बहुत शांत
मैंने
बच्चा
कभी
है.
नहीं रोता ऐसे. स्वरा इधर आ जा.
चलो आओ बेटू, आप आ जाओ इधर, स्टोरी सुनाएंगे आप. चलो.
You have it now. Everybody has it? You can share it with them. We'll sing it together. This is a song compiled by Satyavrata Muni in Padma Puran. Satyavrata Muni is just realizing the whole episode in his heart. The whole thing is playing in his heart. He is able to see the whole pastime of Damodar being bound by Mother Yashoda to the mortar and then performing this childhood Leela. Everything is playing in Satyavrata's heart. So when you become Krishna conscious, the whole Krishna Leela happens in your heart, not somewhere else. आपका खुद का हृदय में हो जाएगा. See Krishna in the heart. That's the song. We sing, and at the end of it, when we start Hare Krishna mantra, then we can offer ghee lamp to Krishna, and that's it. Okay? So, don't feel shy. Again, we'll sing together. We'll try our best to sing through. If it is difficult, just join. It's okay if you make a mistake. Okay? Sure. नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं सत्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमानं यशोदभियोलु तद्धवमानं पारां हृष्टमात्यन्ततो नृत्यगोप्या रुदन्तमुहुर्नेत्रयुग्मानि जन्ता तारां भोजयोग्मेन सातङ्कनेता मोहोश्वसकं पात्रीरेखाङ्ककण्ठा सीताग्रैवं दामोदरं भक्तिभद्रा इति दृक्स्वलीलाभेरानन्दकुण्डे स्वघोषं निमज्जन्तमाख्यापयन्तम् तदीयेषिताज्येषु भक्तैर्जितात्वां पुनः प्रेमातास्तं शतावृत्तिवन्दे वरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षावधिं वा न चान्यं वृणेऽहं वरेशदप्रिया इदं ते वपूर्णाथ गोपालबाला सदा मे मानस्य वीरास्तं किमन्ये इदं ते मुखाम्भोजमत्यन्तनीलये कृतं कुन्तलैस्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोप्या मोहोश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्ताधरं मे मनस्य वीरस्तामालं लक्षणाभै नमो देवः दामोदरानन्द विष्णु प्रसीद प्रभो दुःखजालब्धिमग्ना कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानो गृहाणि क्षमामज्ञामेध्यक्षिदृश्य कुबेरात्मजो बाद्धमोक्यैव यद्वत् त्वया मोचितो भक्तिभाजं कृतौ च तथा प्रेम भक्तिं स्वकां मे प्रयच्छ न मोक्षे ग्रहो मेऽस्ति दामोदरेण नमस्ते स्तुदाम्ने स्फुरदीप्तिदाम्ने त्वदीयोदाराय विश्वस्य दाम्ने नमो राधिकाय त्वदीया प्रियाय नमो नन्दलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे जय राधा दामोदर राधा नवोदराष्टकम की जय, चतुर्थ मुनि की जय, श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, हरे कृष्ण। Thank you so much.
थैंक यू।
ये प्रभु जी पूजा दिन मुझे बात